we are at Mattel Adventure Park. Let's check it out. See all these big I-beams. But yeah, they haven't finished that final loop there, but you can see it laying down on the ground. But it looks like they painted the rails. I mean the orange and blue. They look more vibrant than they have been. That or might have just rained and now it just looks better. But yeah, it's kind of a lot brighter than I remember when I was here 3 months ago. But yeah, let me take you around to the front. Man, the outside of this building, this is the offices. Let me shrink it in a little bit. There we go. This is the offices for not only for Mattel Adventure Park here in Glendale, Arizona, but it's going to be for the one in Kansas City. For that park whenever they start building that one. But they got to finish this one first. You can see State Farm. A couple days ago, that's where they had Charlie Kirk's memorial. It's where the Arizona Cardinals football team plays. And then here's the Vi Resort. Still, they got some glass up, you can see. They're making a little bit of progress on that building. And then you can kind of see. Okay, that's the concert venue there. Last time I was here about 3 months ago, they just put up the big jumbotrons, or whatever you call them, the big screens. That's supposed to host about 220-ish concerts a year. And that hotel there, the balconies, you can hang out and watch the concert. And check this out. A lot of progress going up here. They got a lot of those I-beams connected. There's supposed to be the Castle Grayskull, and then I believe what we're seeing there is the Barbie Beach House. I could be mistaken. And then there's the other hotel, the third hotel. This one's mainly for the theme park. And then you can kind of see they've dug out a lot of this dirt, which is supposed to have a beach and water. You can see rebar going in right there. Kind of curious what that is. And then let me take you down. Last time I was here, there was construction workers everywhere, and today is Tuesday, the 23rd, 24th of September. I forgot. My days are all mixed up, but it's Tuesday, and there's not a soul out here. I take that back. There's one person over there. This is the two race speed tracks for the go-karts that are going to be Hot Wheel themed. And they've made a lot of progress. They've built the ramps for the vehicles and so on and so forth. That's the yellow and with the blue tracks on it is one roller coaster that's going to be Hot Wheel themed. And then the orange and blue that was in the beginning of the video, which is on the other side of here, that I'll show you. That's the other roller coaster. It's going to be Hot Wheel themed. Theme park in the desert. The more of it being inside, the better. So the weather here can get up to close to 120 degrees during the heart of the summer. So definitely want to be indoors majority of the time. There's going to be an arcade here with a bunch of Mattel games, themed games. Also, if you're into He-Man, they're going to be bringing that. Thomas the Train, they're bringing that too. Barbie, of course. You can kind of see him. Zoom in a little bit. The sun is not cooperating with me, but you can see it comes out of the building there and then makes a hard right, and it kind of turns a little bit there and then shoots all the way down to the end of the building, all the way down to the freeway, where you could see the side shot beginning of this video. I don't know if it's because it rained the other day or if they repainted, put another coat of paint on these, but they look a lot brighter. A lot brighter. The orange and the blue is just popping. Even the yellow over there is popping a lot more. But this was supposed to open last year. Then they said this year. And it's September, late September. And it's just announced that it's not. My phone overheated. 107 out. And I don't know, I was like 5 minutes in and my phone overheated. So what I was saying is when it opens, it opens. Hopefully early next year. I know we're all excited about it opening, so hopefully Mattel Adventure Park will open up really, really soon. If you guys can do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and share the link to anybody that's into theme parks. Finally getting one in Arizona. Lots of love. Peace.